To get started as a mutual fund distributor, the first thing you need is to meet the basic eligibility criteria. You need to be at least 18 years old with a minimum qualification of class 12. A background in finance or investment is a bonus, but is not required. That's right. If you're passionate about helping people manage their money better, you can become an MFD. The best part is that there is no upfront investment you need to make too. Now, the first thing you have to do is clear the NISM Series VA Exam to demonstrate that you have a good understanding of mutual funds. This exam is conducted by the National Institute of Securities Markets. We'll explain more about the NISM VA exam in the next video. Upon completion of the exam and receiving the NISM VA certification, you have to register with the Association of Mutual Funds in India or AMFI to become an authorized MFD. You will then receive a unique AMFI registration number or ARN that will help you get started. By the way, Wealthy helps thousands of people with live training and resources to help them get NISM certified and start their MFD business. You can click on the link in the description to know more and sign up. Once you have your ARN, you need to finish a quick Know Your Distributor or KYD now. Don't worry, it's completely digital and can be completed using your Aadhaar card. That's it. And you're all set to start a rewarding career as an MFD. You can now help people grow their wealth as well as your own. Whether you're a graduate, a retired professional, or looking forward to being your own boss, becoming an MFD with Wealthy could be the perfect opportunity for you to fulfill your dreams.